Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is factorization of the polynomial. And the next topic is factorizing the difference of two squares and factorization of quadratic trinomials. So let's start the topic today. So the first one is factorizing the difference of two squares. And the formula used is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so we'll look into some examples to understand the given formula. The first example I'm taking here is x square minus y square by 100. By looking at this question, let us convert this particular question in the format of a square minus b square. We get here, the first one is x square, so x square minus the b square can be written as y by 10 whole square. Now you got into the format of a square minus b square. Simply you expand it, x plus y by 10 and x minus y by 10. This is your final answer of the question, x square minus y square by 100. So in this particular factorizations, the formula used is a square minus b square. Going to the next example, number 2. The question is 2a power 5 minus 32a. So to factorize this particular polynomial, we need to revise what we have studied in our previous classes. So each and every concept is required for the factorization of the next term. And if you get different kind of questions, always remember the first part, the first concept is required. So if you try to memorize in the first category what we have done, first of all we see the first term, the coefficient of a5 is 2 and the coefficient of a is 32. So we take the SCF of 2 and 32 first. So the SCF is 2. Now looking at the variables, we have a power 5 and a, so least power of a is taken, which is a only. So what is left inside? A power 4 minus 16. Right? Now 2a, a power 4 can be written as a squared the whole square. So I'll use the middle bracket here. A squared the whole square minus 4 4 just 16, so 4 square. Closing the bracket. Next one is 2a. This can be written as a square plus 4 and then a square minus 4. Now look at the last one. Whenever you see the minus sign and both the sides of minus sign, if you get a square minus b square, try keep expanding. Okay. Next is 2a square plus 4, and then this becomes a square minus 2a square. So last step is 2a square plus 4, and then this becomes a plus 2 and a minus 2. So that is the factorization, a complete factorization of the given polynomial 2a power 5 minus 32a. I hope this is clear to you all, children. Now the next part of today's topic is factorization of quadratic trinomial, which is also called as splitting the middle term. So quadratic trinomial means if the question is of the form x square plus bx plus c. So this is quadratic trinomial. So we have got three terms here. Number first, the second and the third term. So in this case, we always try to split the middle term as per your class in class 9th standard. So splitting the middle term, how to do that and what exactly that mean. So steps which needs to be followed here are as follows. Number first one is check the coefficient of x square. If it is, suppose we have a as the coefficient of x square, then find the product. Find the product of AC. After finding the product of AC, prime factorize it. Prime factorize AC. Number C. Now the thing is, the last part is arrangement. The arrangement of factors. Now the arrangement of factors in such a way that the sum or the product or the difference gives the middle term. This much is only required, okay, to solve the question. Let us take some examples to understand this thing a little better. 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. So the first step is, the coefficient of x squared is 6 and the last term, that is the constant term, is 5. The product of 6 and 5 is 30. Take the prime factors. 2, 15 and 3 5s are 15. Now you got 3 factors here, prime factors 2, 3 and 5. Arrange this number 2, 3, 5 in such a manner so that the addition will give you the middle term. So we have 6x squared plus, and the last number is plus 5. If you do plus and plus, becomes plus only, so you have 2 space here, number 1, number 2. Arrangement now is required, okay? So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 will give you 17. So I can take 5 3s are 15, 15x plus 2x. Now the rest is grouping. So this is the first group and this one is the second group. Now what is taken common here? 6 and 15 as CF is 3 and x square x is x. So 3 2s are 6, x plus 3 5s are 15. Plus from here you can take only 1 as the common factor. So it'll give you 2x plus 5. Remember, whatever you get here in this particular area, same number you should get here also, okay? Now next is the common 2x plus 5, because sign of separation is plus here, and left is 3x plus 1. So this is the final factorization of the given quadratic trinomial. That's all from today's class. You can try solving more and more questions, and if you face any problem, you can always ask in the online class. Thank you very much. You all have a great day.